going to make a corn dog. But first, we don't need this. We only need the actual corn dog. The corn and the dog. But unfortunately, I don't have a corn. Unless...
Hi, how are you?
Enemy spotted.
Oh, but first, we need some breadcrumbs. So of course, just wait. Just hold on for a second. There we go. Breadcrumbs. It's also made from my foot skin. So yeah. But second, we need the wet batter. Oh, excuse me for a while. I'm just getting in my wet batter. What do you think? Alright, those are all the ingredients. First things first, the breadcrumbs from my foot. The white one for my... well, never mind. And the hot dog from my... And now we're going to start this bullcrap food to make it delicious. Alright, let's start with this bad boy up. First things first, you already know what it is. You just put it in the white sauce. Because we already know this one is well, it's already from this one, so you can put it right here. Yeah, it's really like that, Daddy. You can, yes, be like that, Daddy. Menikum. Look at that. Oh, no. We'll not forget about this one because this is a special ingredient. So let's put it with this bad boy up, like so. Put it some more. Yeah. Yes. Put it some more. Yeah. Yes.
Stop it. Get some help.
And now, they'll all be waiting for the enemy. My worst enemy is the frying it.
Get ready for the next battle. Kashito versus Frying Pan. Ho, Mokata no ka. 見るせからかしと俺せなったのか。Bruh. ほほ。でも自分はするからない。
Would you look at that? It's working! It's working! Wait, look at that thing!
Damn, boy, he's thick!
It's so good! Well, we forgot something. The red sauce. This is what I've been waiting for. To eat this. Alright, I'm back. Don't mind about my hands, but I'm going to use this fork. Do it like this. But the question is, where did I get this red? Oh, don't worry. I got it from the girls. You already know what I mean, right? We would it your white sauce too. Yeah. So first things first, I'm going to dip this and then mo! I'm just kidding. 4.0 over 39! Alright, breakout character muna tayo. So, talaga na natin ito. Seryoso na to ah, seryoso na to. Let's try without sauce. Not bad. Let's try with the sauce.
Yummy.
Not bad. Masarap. There's no bias. Masarap talaga. So, I would say, I'm going to rate this a 7 out of 10. And I love it.